I'm Cherron Perry Thomas.
Hi, my name is Amma Thomas, and we're at Plant and People Shop and Cafe. So, Mommy, what inspired you to start Plant and People?
Well, we were in a middle of a pandemic. One thing that you really enjoyed doing was working with plants and gardening. And so I thought, let's open a plant shop. So we did. So, Amma, what is it like working in a family business together with me?
I mean, like anything with family, it has its ups and its downs. But I'd say one of the best parts about it is I'd say the rewarding moments are so much more meaningful because it gets to happen with someone who's literally seen me my whole life. And you getting to see me step into this role and take on more leadership, I think is something really special. And I'm glad that I get to see, that my family gets to see me in this way.
And it's very special to me too. What has been the proudest moment of being in business?
We won awards, we have done a lot of cool workshops with amazing groups and things, but I'll say one of the proudest was actually the other day. Somebody sent me a DM and she came to the shop and she had a really great time with her daughter, and she was just talking about how happy she was that she got to share this moment with her daughter, and especially being a mother, daughter-owned business, I think it's really great that we get to create those special moments for other people to have, and I think that's one thing that makes me really proud.
Aww.
So why is it important to keep the business in Philadelphia and family-owned?
It's important to keep the business family-owned, first of all. We do come from a legacy of business owners and people who have helped independent small businesses throughout the country. Keeping it in Philadelphia is important. One of the things that we really are clear about is that we want to be in underserved communities, right? We agree on that because for many people to see just this abundance of beauty and health and wellness, it's not something that they can walk to. Many people have to get in a car and drive to. So, Amma, what do you want the legacy of this business to be?
I want the legacy of our business to be something that is not just about the future, but also connects us with the past, because as you said, we come from generations of doing this and just working with plants and being around plants and incorporating plants into our lives is something that has been integral in many people historically, but is not anymore. So something I'm looking forward to in our legacy is really bridging that gap and bringing the plants back to people. What do you want the legacy of our business to be?
I want the legacy of our business to be that we help people. We help people in aspects of social well-being, of health, of education, of just being able to connect people to plants again.